Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new. And in this video, we'll talk about Floki, which has been very bullish basically since yesterday. Since yesterday morning, actually, or yesterday night, kind of depending on how you look at it, has been very bullish. There's bullish fundamentals for Floki. It has a lot of momentum right now, so it could actually rally up even higher. So I wanted to do an analysis on it. All right, I'll try to tell you everything you need to know, including what I expect from the price. I'll tell you what's going on with Floki. So yes, like I said, everything you need to know. So let's get right into it. The first thing you need to know, I think, is that Floki right now has a major governance proposal going on. All right, so that obviously has to do with governance. A lot of these cryptos have their own DAO, etc., and then you can vote on proposals if you hold the token. So this is a proposal launching a staking reward token. All right, so that means that if you stake your Floki, you actually get this reward token, which inherently, that reward token, I'm not sure how much value it will have, but it will probably have some value. So that inherently makes Floki worth more. And the end of the proposal is October the 27th. Usually what you see is that you actually get some bullish momentum leading up to the proposal. So buy the announcement and then sell the news. Usually if the proposal is over, the price drops. That means right now that Floki fundamentally is very bullish. And then apart from that, which you can also see if you take a look at the volume and the open interest, is that Floki since yesterday, but also earlier last week, which you can see right here, has built up a huge amount of momentum. Like the open interest has gone up from 6.8 to 13.6, which if we do some quick maths, is definitely a 100% increase, which means there's a lot of momentum. And it's also not dropping down. It has stopped going up since for the last couple of hours, but so that could be, that could mean that it's finding some resistance, which is also true, as you can see right here. But that doesn't mean that it's over, all right? Because in the end, Floki's open interest and volume has not dropped down. So the big question is, well, can Floki actually continue going up? Because like I said, it's now at the major resistance level. You can also see historically that it is a major resistance level between 2200 and 2150. And I'm naming the prices like that because I'm not going to name all of those zeros. But the big question is will it be able to break above that, yes or no, and get up to the next price target, which is actually a little bit of a weird level, but I would say it's around 2400. All right, there you have the next major technical level. I could say that it's this level, so that it ranges all the way from 2400 to 2500, which technically is true, but I don't like to name price targets that big, but technically that's the level. So the big question is will it get up there? And I have to say yes. All right, Floki still has a lot of momentum. Like I said, fundamentally, it actually is bullish. So I have to say this is the most likely scenario. I do expect some more resistance from the current resistance level, so that we drop down towards perhaps even 2000 or 2050 down here. It's the weekend, so we might just consolidate. But after the weekend and once momentum picks up, I do think this is the most likely scenario. And that's a little bit of a risky thing to say, all right? Because Floki has already rallied quite a bit. But I mean, it's objectively, when taking a look at all of the numbers, I have to say this, because all of the numbers do predict some sort of a movement like this. So this is what I expect. If Floki really gets a lot of bearish momentum and if it falls down below 2000, then I was wrong, all right? And we will see more bearish momentum, and I don't think it will even break above this level anymore. But yeah, like I said, then I was wrong. 2000 really is the main is the magic level. As long as that holds, Floki is bullish, and I still expect that continued rally. If that breaks, I was wrong, and it's probably over. All right, so that's what I expect. I also told you why I expect it. If you do have any questions still, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great weekend, and bye.